In today's digital marketing landscape, privacy and security considerations are critical. Marketers must navigate these aspects thoughtfully to maintain trust with consumers while effectively utilizing data. This slide sets the stage for our discussion on essential strategies and tactics related to privacy and security in digital marketing. To guide our efforts in digital marketing, we must adhere to specific do's and don'ts. Start by obtaining consent from consumers and demonstrating the value we provide in exchange for their data. Track data only as necessary, ensuring we respect consumer privacy. Provide consumers with choices and control over their information, and implement reasonable security measures to protect their data. Additionally, we must comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Avoid making false claims and maintain transparency with clear privacy policies. Minimize data collection to what is essential and exercise due diligence when working with third-party services. Finally, keep abreast of evolving privacy and security environments to adapt our practices accordingly. Obtaining consumer consent is paramount. We must communicate the value of sharing personal information clearly. By increasing the consumer's perceived value, we can encourage individuals to consent to data collection. A first-party data strategy, which involves collecting data directly from consumers through various channels like CRMs, subscriptions, and accounts, will help us gain valuable insights while building trust. A tracking pixel is a vital tool that records consumer behavior across websites, emails, and ads. It tracks various activities such as website visits and interactions with ads. To use tracking pixels responsibly, we should secure consumer consent, utilize only the necessary tracking pixels, and provide options for consumers to opt out of tracking. This approach helps us respect consumer privacy while gathering important data. Empowering consumers with choices enhances their experience and trust. We should provide options that allow consumers to manage their data collection preferences. For example, Shell Global exemplifies transparency by outlining the information it collects and allowing users to opt into various data collection categories. By avoiding default settings that permit all data collection, we can respect consumer preferences and reinforce trust. To protect against privacy and security threats, organizations must implement reasonable measures. Start by requiring strong passwords and ensuring software is updated regularly. Employ reputable security software to safeguard data and minimize access to sensitive information on a need-to-know basis. Implement multi-factor authentication and maintain secured, detailed logs of activities to enhance security. Incorporating privacy and security measures from the design phase ensures we build robust protection into our practices.
As technology evolves, the complexities of privacy and security increase. Organizations should actively monitor and verify AI activities to mitigate risks. Implementing security through the Internet of Things (IoT) landscape requires collaboration with third-party partners to ensure that all interconnected devices are secure. By adhering to established standards and frameworks, organizations can bolster their security posture. Many brands aim to comply with privacy regulations, but Apple stands out by using privacy as a competitive differentiator. Apple emphasizes that privacy is a fundamental human right and integrates this principle into its products and services. By adopting privacy as a core value, Apple not only fulfills its promise to consumers, but also positions itself as an innovator in the market. Clear privacy policies are essential for digital marketers. They form the foundation for consumer data collection and processing. Under the California Online Privacy Protection Act, businesses collecting personally identifiable information must have a privacy policy in place. This slide presents an infographic outlining the do's and don'ts of crafting effective privacy policies. By being transparent, brands can foster trust and strengthen their relationships with consumers. Data minimization is a crucial principle in privacy and security. Marketers should collect only the data necessary for specific purposes, avoiding excess information that may pose risks. By focusing on essential data, we reduce the chances of privacy breaches. Additionally, regularly deleting unneeded data aligns with our best practices and regulatory requirements, enhancing our overall data management strategy. Digital marketers often employ the services of or subscribe to software of third parties, and it's important to verify third parties' privacy and security processes as well as its compliance with legislation. As you see here, Salesforce outlines its commitment to privacy on its website with links to further details on how the company implements privacy for certain situations or jurisdictions. It even offers different products if you need to, for example, be HIPAA compliant. Privacy and security remain an ongoing challenge in digital marketing. Organizations constantly seek innovative ways to protect data while delivering value to consumers. Apple and Google, for example, employ differential privacy, which structures databases to make it difficult to trace individual data back to a specific user. Another promising technology is Edge AI, which processes data closer to the consumer, potentially enhancing privacy and security by keeping information localized. Additionally, blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger, provides additional added security benefits in various applications. Cryptocurrency is one such example. This technology holds potential for ensuring data integrity and enhancing security within digital marketing practices, but keep in mind that no one solution is a panacea. No one solution solves everything.